NotebookLM has an audio overview feature that allows you to take your sources and create an audio file using AI. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that and what kind of use cases you can use that for right now. Now, if you come to notebooklm.google, you can come over here and go try NotebookLM, and this will take you to NotebookLM and allow you to use all of its features. So if you look at the bottom here, we have the recent notebooks that I've been using and creating. Now we're going to look at the audio overview tool here. So what we'll do is just go create a new notebook if you haven't used it before. And here's where you can upload all of your sources. So you've got the Google Workspace. You can also add some sort of links, and then you can also paste in some text. Now for this example, I'm going to take my YouTube video and I'm going to get 2 AI hosts to have a debate about my YouTube video. And you can use these snippets for whatever you want, but we're going to use this example right here and just get AI to give us an audio file, which we can then repurpose. So we'll go insert, and I've just put in my YouTube link, scaling content with Google Notebook LM. And if we come over to the source guide here, use Notebook LM to make money online. So it already scraped my entire video, which is a great use case of Notebook LM, one of my favorite features. So it has all of the content from my latest YouTube video. And now if I want to repurpose this and maybe start creating another AI YouTube channel with my videos being discussed and then sending them to my YouTube channel or even my Skool or whatever monetizable channel that you have that you want to use AI to send traffic to, then you can use this for that. So audio overview, all we have to do here is click this little pencil icon, and then we've got format, choose language, and you can select what should the AI hosts focus on. Now the deep dive and the debate, these are going to be where the AI hosts are working, and then the brief and the critique is something a little bit different. The AI hosts are also in this as well, but you can see the different version. So a lively conversation between 2 hosts is for the deep dive. A bite-sized overview is just to help you grasp the core ideas. So you can use this not just for repurposing content, but if you want to just study these notes. If you have notes or YouTube video that you want to hear in an audio file. Obviously YouTube, it's already in an audio file, but this would be great for just taking notes and making an audio file for them. And critique, I could have my YouTube video get AI to essentially help me improve my videos, and then hear an audio file for that, which is pretty neat. And so what we want to do here is I'm just going to go to debate, and we're going to keep it English. But if you wanted to change, say, to Filipino or a different language and hit a different audience somehow, then you could also do that as well. Or if you want to hear the audio file in a different language, you could do that too. Now, I know what my video is about, so I'm just going to get them to focus on, I'll just use the title, on using Notebook LM to make money online. And then we're going to keep the length short just for video purposes. Okay, guys, so I have generated the audio overview, and this is a debate. So free AI brainstorming versus paid precision. Can Google Notebook LM scale your online content machine? And let's just actually play this right here.
Welcome to the debate. Today, our focus is evaluating the efficacy of free large language model tools, specific simultaneously.
I hope you guys can hear this. I don't know if it'll play through my speaker or not,
diverse sources. I'm talking YouTube transcripts, Google Drive docs with specific post structure.
Needed for Twitter posts, even when it's
so there's the second voice that's playing.
So this,
yeah, I'm just not convinced.
Okay,
that
so there you go. She's not convinced. So there's the debate. So it was a male in the beginning and a female, which came in later, and she was the one that was actually not convinced of using Google Notebook LM to scale content. And so there is an audio snippet that you can use. You can use this for an AI podcast for YouTube and start racking up views like that. You could also take your own videos or your own notes, for example. Like if I have paste in text here and I have some sort of training or some sort of note that I want to put into an audio file, like for a client or something, you could paste in your text here. You could also add it in through a Google Drive document. So if I come over to my Google Drive here, all right, let's see here. Meeting notes. Okay, LinkedIn post structure. If I have my LinkedIn post structure here and I want to get an audio file just to instruct somebody and send it over email, I could use this. I could come back over to my Google Drive here. I could add in my LinkedIn post structure and I could create an audio file for this. And then, you know, it's more easily consumed with audio rather than just reading a whole bunch of notes or me typing it out and somebody reading it. So just more easily digestible through audio, obviously. And so there's two different use cases that you could use. One was for text into an audio file, and the other I showed you just how to use AI to get a debate going about some sort of video that you could scale and repurpose. And so those are just two different use cases. A really cool tool. I'm going to be using it in the future to create some sort of AI YouTube page and drive traffic to my own channels. And that is how you use NotebookLM's audio overview feature. If you guys like this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.